Welcome to the TokenLabs Smart Contracts Security Audit conducted by AuditOne. TokenLabs Network is a no-code platform designed to democratize the creation and management of ERC-20 tokens. By eliminating the need for advanced programming and security knowledge, TokenLabs enables users of all technical backgrounds to create and manage tokens securely and efficiently. The platform offers automatic token verification and auditing to enhance transparency and trust. TokenLabs smart contracts were audited between June 25 and July 8 by Pontifex 73, Eugenio Clarci and Shanurag Jain. The audit finished with the following scores: security score, 100%, documentation quality, 95%, code quality, 95%. Let's review the issues identified. Pairing token could not be refunded. Consider implementing functionality to refund pairing token as well. Lack of isListed check in the claim function. Consider releasing tokens only if the isListed variable is true. Insufficient check for setting iseth variable. Consider checking that msg.value equals 0 when the pairing token address is not 0. Sellers can steal assets by creating a sale of a poisoned token. Consider implementing a check that the tokens were deployed by the ecosystem. Sellers can steal assets by creating a token pair with an unexpected rate. The sale contract should block all minted tokens to be sold to prevent token pair creation while the sale is not ended. Also, need to check that the pair does not exist. Incorrect sale contract owner setting. Consider specifying token sale contract owner as the constructor function parameter instead of using MSG sender. Temporary DOS of end sale using sync function in Uniswap pair. Implement checks within the end sale function to validate the reserves of the Uniswap pair before proceeding with the liquidity addition. Alternatively, include a mechanism to handle reserve inconsistencies gracefully, possibly by introducing a fallback procedure to reset the reserves. Sale restarts after ending due to end or cancel the sale. Buy tokens should not be allowed if isListed is true. The use of raw ERC-20 transfer instead of safe transfer may cause token transfers to fail. To ensure compatibility with all ERC-20 tokens, it is recommended to use safe transfer from the Safe ERC-20 library. This method handles non-compliant tokens gracefully and ensures that the transfer operation succeeds. End sale will fail if the token is non-burnable. Update the documentation to ensure that tokens used for sale can be burned. The limit per account check can be bypassed. Ensure that limit per account is checked even after the soft cap is surpassed. Excess fund not returned. Any excess funds sent while creating a lock or vesting contract should be refunded back to the caller. Owner should only be sent value equal to vesting fee or lock fee as per the function called. Sale. Seller can DOS end sale, reverting the Ether transfer, and use of transfer may revert if the recipient's fallback function consumes more than 2,300 gas. To mitigate this issue, it is recommended to wrap the excess Ether into wrapped IOTA and perform a standard ERC-20 operation. This approach ensures that the gas limitations of transfer do not affect the contract's operations. Usage of approve instead of safe approve in add liquidity to DEX. It is recommended to use safe approve from the Safe ERC-20 library to ensure compatibility with all ERC-20 tokens and prevent potential approval failures. Donated ETH or token can restrict buying. Do not rely on the contract balance, instead, use internal balance tracking to update the sale collected ETH. ETH can be misused due to potential reentrancy. Add the OpenZeppelin non-reentrant modifier to mass send tokens, create vesting contract, and create lock contract functions. Create token can fail if the message value is higher than the creation fee. Change payable owner.send message.value to payable owner.send creation fee at TokenLabs, tokenfactory.sol, line 41. Missing sanity checks. Consider the solution you currently see on your screen. Use two-step ownership transfer. Implement the ownable two-step library instead of ownable for handling ownership transfers. Override the renounce ownership function to revert if called, ensuring that ownership cannot be renounced unintentionally. Use of send may revert if the recipient's fallback function consumes more than 2,300 gas. Use call value amount instead of send to transfer IOTA, as call allows specifying the gas amount and handling the success or failure of the transaction. Ensure to implement proper re-entrancy guards when using call to prevent re-entrancy attacks. Consider wrapping IOTA into wrapped Ether, or WMIOTA, and performing ERC-20 transfers to avoid these issues altogether. Let's review the issues identified in TokenLabs smart contracts. TokenLabs' team has successfully addressed all the critical vulnerabilities and potential risks highlighted by our auditors. For a thorough understanding, please refer to our comprehensive report. AuditOne, your trusted partner in blockchain security.